For some of our evergreen tree species, it can definitely be a challenge for growing them in our landscapes. One common strategy to help them survive the winter and dry periods is actually shoveling some snow or putting snow around the base of these trees. These trees actually have a shallow root system, and the idea is the snow helps protect them. There are definitely some pros and some cons by doing this. Adding snow is great for protecting the base of the trees from freeze and thaw cycles. It also adds extra moisture for them. Some of the cons, though, might include branches being broke by snow actually being shoveled onto them and snapping them off. You might also have voles that tend to congregate under the deep snow. There's also the risk of using larger equipment such as snow blowers, which might throw rocks or other debris at the tree, damaging it, or even potentially bending the top over. If you're looking to add snow for your trees in your landscape, just consider putting it right around the base of the tree and not completely burying the tree itself. If snow is not available, consider winter watering as well, since these evergreen trees are continuing to photosynthesize during the winter period. From the University of Wyoming Extension, I'm Brian Sabady, and you're watching From the Ground Up.